Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Ify's Beauty Corner. You're welcome. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, click on notification bell also so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're all fine. I'll be making a DIY lemon and key lime extracted body butter. You know, the properties contained in lemon and lime makes it one of the fastest and effective lightening agents. Yeah, this body butter is going to be one body butter your skin will love because it's going to brighten up and lighten up your complexion. Not only that, it's going to be moisturizing, yeah, and it's going to leave your skin soft and supple. So on today's video, I'll be making an extra lightening lemon and lime body butter. Let's go ahead and start. For this body butter, I'll be using key limes. Here with me, I have like 6 pieces of key limes. I'll be needing the peels. You can do lemon alone, but I find out that key lime seems to be effective than lemon. That is my own observation. I don't really know. So I'll be using a grater just to get the lime and key lime zest out. I have washed them. I washed them with ACV, apple cider vinegar, just to get the pesticides and the dirt out very well. I'm through with the key limes. I'm zesting out the lemons. I just added like 2 pieces of organic lemon. Yeah, so I'm through now. Yeah, like I said before, you can choose to do only lime or lemon or do both. Lime and lemon peel is rich in vitamin C. The both contains lightening properties. Yeah, the both works almost the same. They are just the same. So I'm through with getting the zest out. As you can see, the next thing I'll be doing is transferring it to a bowl. So now I'll be adding a coconut oil into this. Coconut oil is highly moisturizing. It protects the skin. Coconut oil reduces the appearance of wrinkles, calms and repairs the skin. Yeah, it is also good for skin redness and damaged bleached skin. Yes, coconut oil also absorbs easily to the skin. This body butter is going to be potent, is going to be effective, it will be good for all skin types. Any skin type can use it. This body butter will leave your skin supple. I'll be adding my coconut oil into the bowl. Then after that, I'll be infusing the lemon and key lime zest with this coconut oil using a double boiling method. So as I was saying earlier, this body butter will revive dull skin and also repair damaged skin. And of course, it will improve your complexion, brighten up and glow your skin. It will also moisturize and hydrate the skin very well. So guys, as you can see, the color of the lemon and key lime zest is almost turning brown. I'll be removing it from the heat. Yes, then I will sieve the lemon zest and the key lime zest out So now back to my working table. So guys, this body butter is not going to be greasy, it will be lightweight. I'm just trying to get all the oil out. So what I got here is exactly 100 ml of lemon and lime zest oil. Now I have my oil. I'll be setting it aside for some minutes. Yeah, I'll be leaving it in the refrigerator for it to solidify a little bit. Here guys, here it is. I almost forgot it in the refrigerator, so it got a little bit more solidified, but it's still okay. So with my kitchen whisker or mixer, I'll be using it to mix and blend this butter very well. I'll be taking my time to whisk this so as to get a nice consistency. This is going to take a little bit of time. So I'll be adding a lemon whitening oil. This is optional, but remember I'm making an extra lightening lemon body butter. Yes, you can decide not to add this, or you can decide to add any other lemon serum you want. I'll be using a lemon clear oil. Lemon clear oil is effective removing dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It brightens the skin very well. It is very effective. So now I'll be adding like a 50 ml of a lemon clear oil. Remember, I'm working with 100 ml of lemon extracted oil. This body butter will help improve appearance of dull skin. It will also even out your skin tone, remove hyperpigmentation and dark spots from your skin. So guys, if you've watched up till now and you're yet to subscribe, please do so now. Yes. So I'm whisking it more just to get a beautiful consistency. And guys, because lemon makes the skin extra sensitive to the sun, I'll be adding my sunscreen. Yeah, this is optional. You can apply your sunscreen after you've already applied your body butter, but I usually add a sunscreen to my body creams or lotion. Then if I want to go out, I will still apply my sunscreen. Yes. If you don't want to add your sunscreen, just make sure you are using this body butter only at night, so you will not get your skin burnt. Yeah, so guys, I'll be adding a 50 SPF sunscreen lotion to this body butter. I'll be giving this body butter more whisk so as to get a beautiful consistency and also to mix everything well. This body butter will benefit those dealing with stretch marks because lemon is a natural exfoliator. And you know, when you exfoliate your skin, it gives chance for skin cell renewal. And when that happens, It reduces the appearance of stretch marks and also fades them gradually. Yeah guys, I'm almost through. Before I package, I'll be adding some tocopherols to it. Yeah, vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for the skin. It will help preserve the shelf life of this body butter and also nourish and improve the elasticity of the skin. Yeah, I'll also be adding a preservative because of the sunscreen I added. This is optional depending on how long you want your body butter to last. Yeah, this will help prevent mold from growing into your product. So I'll be adding like a 1% of my preservative. As you can see, the consistency is changing. It's getting more beautiful, more fluffier and creamier. You can choose to whip it more till you get to the consistency you want. I spent like 7 minutes more whipping this butter. I am through now. I'll be adding some essential oils into it. Guys, you can decide to add a coloring to your body butter, but I'm just adding a lemon essential oil just to get a little bit more of that lemon fragrance. Yeah. Oh, I love the consistency. This body butter is not going to sit on the skin. It's going to absorb quickly to the skin. You're going to love this body butter recipe, especially if you're looking for something that will lighten up your skin, clear dark marks, and hyperpigmentation. It's not going to give you any reactions on the skin, no stretch marks, no white dots, because you know coconut oil has the ability to treat and get rid of white dots on the skin. It also deals with stretch mark issues. Yes. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to your loved ones, and be safe out there, okay? So guys, that's it for today's video. See you on my next. Bye. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.